Hi, my name is Sanju. I am an advocate by profession and I teach manifestation. So, in today's topic, we'll talk about what it actually means letting go. What does that really mean? Are they asking you to let go of your wishes, of your desires, or they want to tell you something else? So, basically, letting go never means that you have to forget about your desire, that you have done enough techniques and now it is time to forget about your desire. No, letting go does not relate with that. It is very obvious that because you want something very badly, you cannot forget about it, right? So what does that mean? Letting go means that you have to let go the question which you keep on asking, that how will it happen? The worries you have attached with your desire, that how come it will happen? You have to let go that how part. You don't have to think about how it will happen. You just have to focus on you having it, or you will very soon have it. Just be positive about it and be certain that anything you want will definitely come to you no matter what. Because it's a law and it is said by everyone. You just pick up any successful person, he's talking about this only in one way or the other way. It may be indirectly, but they all are talking about manifestation only, about positive thoughts are nothing but manifesting positive outcomes, having the positive thoughts. And that is what you are taught in the journey of manifestation, that you have to be positive, you have to speak positive to attract positive in your life. So they are talking about letting go of the worries you have attached with that. You should not think about how it will happen. Letting go never means that you have to let go and you have to forget about your desire. Just if you are tired enough by, just doing all the techniques and manifesting things like writing it down, so many things you have done, and now you feel that you are tired, you can stop doing it. But at the same time, you have the thought in your mind that it will happen. Sooner or later, it will happen. I have done my part, I have done it. Now, my 3D will very soonly reflect my desire. So, you have to, if you are tired of doing all the things and you just don't want to continue it, just don't put negative energy to it that, oh, nothing is happening or it's all waste and blah blah, these kind of things. No, you just have, you just let go it. If you don't want to do it anymore, you just believe, you just keep on repeating whenever you think about your desire again and you feel that, yeah, I have done enough of it, I don't want to do any other technique. You just think about your desire and you just say that, I know it's done, it is coming to me now in any second, any of the minute, it is coming to me, it's done. So keep on repeating this word. If you have done enough of your techniques, like 2 or 3 months if you have given, and you are tired of it, because if you're tired of something and still you're doing it, it means you know you are pressurizing your mind, which is not good for your manifestation. So you have to be very happy, and you should be very kind and very gentle in this manifestation process. You cannot be harsh on yourself. So, yes, letting go never means that you should forget about your desire. It only means that you have to forget how it will come to you, because that's not your job. So, yes, keep manifesting and let go of all your worries. And see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.